Divisibility by 3. Rule. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 213 to 3 because 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, with a remainder of 0. On the other hand, 5417 is not divisible by 3 because 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 17, which is not divisible by 3. When we use a calculator to make this division, it gives 5417 divided by 3 is equal to 1805.6666. i.e. the result is not an integer. That is all for lesson 1.6.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.4, Divisibility by 4. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.